Good evening, Wildcats. I'm Matt Arnold, the proud principal of Winter Park High School. Welcome to Winter Park High School's open house, and thank you for supporting your child's education. First, I want to cover a few data points that reflect the quality education your sons and daughters are receiving at Winter Park High School. We're ranked by the U.S. News and World Report in the top 10% nationwide. That's out of more than 20,000 schools. We've had 134 super scholars over the past 7 years. We administer close to 4,100 AP and IB exams every year to help students achieve college credits while in high school. That's more than any other OCPS high school. Our amazing IB program continues to help our students compete nationally and internationally for post-secondary opportunities. Our digital video productions, culinary, Navy JROTC, and computer-based industry certification programs all continue to engage and challenge our students, as well as to prepare them for opportunities immediately after high school. Our performing arts and athletic programs are amongst the best in the state. Outstanding concerts, productions, as well as individual and ensemble honors. And our athletic program wins state championships every year while also winning the All Sports Award for the whole state of Florida numerous times. All of these accomplishments are a reflection of teams working together, teams of students, teachers, coaches, directors, parents, and our community. Thank you for the role you play in making Winter Park High School such a high-performing school. At this time, I'd like to introduce our instructional leadership team and a few of our dedicated parent leaders.
Hey Wildcat families, my name is Mary Sue Halligan, and I'm honored to be serving as your PTSA president. We've got a great team in place working hard to make this year the best year yet for our students, teachers, staff, and community. But we need your help. Our goal is to promote the welfare of students and enhance the educational opportunities for teachers, staff, parents, and children here at Winter Park High School. By joining the PTSA at the Wildcat, Silver, Gold, or business level, you help buy food, clothing, and school supplies for those in need. You support the learning environment through teacher grants and Progress to Success. You guide our students at the College and Career Center, offer scholarship opportunities for our seniors, and sponsor community events such as the Final Roar and the Homecoming Barbecue. And by the way, the barbecue tickets are already available on Member Hub, so reserve your spot today. Membership in PTSA is our only fundraiser for the year. To those of you that have already joined, thank you. Benefits of joining the PTSA include a card magnet and access to our weekly PTSA newsletter. There are many opportunities at all levels for anyone and everyone to get involved. To join, find us on Member Hub or follow us on Facebook or Instagram. Our first PTSA meeting of the school year will be Tuesday, September 12th at 6 p.m. in the Media Center. We'll be meeting in conjunction with SAC, so come, hear what's planned for the new year, and get involved. Thank you for supporting PTSA and have a great night.
Hey everyone, I'm Ann Stevens and I'm the SAC chair for Winter Park High School. The School Advisory Council is an organization that consists of students, parents, community business partners, teachers, and school administrators. We meet once a month to make decisions on the school improvement plan, school budget, and everything in between. It's a great place to talk about what's going on in your student's classroom. I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to our next meeting, which is Tuesday, September 12th at 6:30 in the Media Center. I hope to see you there.
Hi, I'm Andrea Massey Farrell, and I'm the president of the Winter Park High School Foundation. On behalf of our board of directors, welcome to the 2023-2024 school year. The Winter Park High School Foundation is a charitable organization that helps bridge funding gaps between OCPS and our Winter Park High School families. Some of our proceeds have benefited scholarships, educational programming, as well as extracurricular and athletic activities. To help support our efforts, please visit the Cat Shack, where you can get some really cool spirit wear. And also save the date for our upcoming fundraising annual event, Restore the Roar, which will be held on Friday, March 1st. Be prepared, we're bringing back the Roaring 20s. Thank you all so much, and again, welcome.
Good evening, Wildcat families. My name is Mr. Sharp, and I am the assistant principal overseeing our 9th grade center this year. That means I'm leading the day-to-day operations of our campus. I hope you guys have a great time this evening, and I hope your students have a great year. Go Wildcats!
My name is Elisa Mora, and I'm an assistant principal here at Winter Park High School. I oversee the Student Services Department and our Exceptional Education Program.
Good evening, Wildcats. I'm Dr. Vetter, assistant principal here on main campus, and I am actually supervising the science department and the visual and performing arts department. In addition, I work with our school advisory council to develop the school improvement plan and to work towards our goals with that plan. So Wildcats, I am here to support you. So whatever you need, please come and see me. I am in office 815 in the 800 building. That's downstairs by your science class probably. Thanks. Have a great day and go Wildcats.
Good evening, Winter Park families. My name is Mr. Zenzel, assistant principal. I'm over social studies, facilities, school-wide discipline, and security and supervision. Welcome to Open House.
Hi, my name is William King. I'm an assistant principal. I'm over CTE, World Languages, ROTC, and PE. Go Wildcats.
Good evening, Wildcat parents. It's great to see you here tonight. My name is Doug Farley. I'm assistant principal over ELA and attendance. Have a great Wildcat evening.
Good evening, Wildcats. My name is Marcia Owens, and I'm one of your assistant principals here at the great Winter Park High School. I am all things math, 12th grade discipline, partners in education, addition, and all that jazz. So I look forward to working alongside each and every one of you this year, and go Cats!
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Open House. My name is Bill Wilson. I am one of the 9th grade deans, and I deal with discipline, attendance, and facilities.
My name is Anna Byrne, dean at the 9th grade center. Go Wildcats!
Hello, everyone. My name is Charles Battellini. I'm the 10th grade dean. I'm also over parking. Go Wildcats.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm Coach Campbell. I'm the 11th grade dean here. Hope you're having a great day. Go Wildcats.
Hello, Wildcats. My name is Curtis John. I am the SAFE coordinator on campus. I work with students that are in crisis and or families that are in crisis as well.
Hey! My name is Donald Blackman. I'm the Advanced Studies Coordinator. We have two amazing advanced study programs here, Advanced Placement and the International Baccalaureate. You have any questions, please feel free to ask. Hope you guys are having a great evening. Go Wildcats.
Good evening, Wildcat parents and students. My name is Coach Cecilio Fowler, and I am the attendance interventionist as well as the pit crew coordinator for the 2023-2024 school year. I'm looking forward to working with you this year. Go Wildcats.
Hello, Wildcats. My name's Andy Childs. I'm the athletic director here at Winter Park High School. Looking forward to another great school year and another great athletic season. Anyone interested in athletics, please visit our website at www.winterparkathletics.org. All the information needed is there for your sports, for your coaches, what's required to participate, and hopefully you'll get out to all the games if you're not participating. Thank you and have a great year. Go Wildcats.
The focus of tonight's agenda is to learn about the syllabus and expectations for each class. Because there are only 10 minutes per period, teachers only have enough time to share general information with the whole group present in the room. If you'd like to speak with a teacher in more detail, parent-teacher conferences may be scheduled through your school counselor and our student services department. A PA announcement will be made to signal class changes, and we will have 5 minutes passing time between classes. And we'll be sure to log tardies and share that info with your children. Thanks again for your support. Have a wonderful evening, and go Wildcats.